I'm sitting on the porch, chilling, eating cereal. I got Fruit Loops. But yeah, it's a nice calm chill day. I'm tired. No, why is it going so fast? What's that? That's the wasp, Daddy. Daddy. Oh, you're my lifesaver. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you, Daddy. Oh gosh. I just started crying, y'all, cause ain't no way. Where did Lizzo go? Oh my gosh. Y'all, is there like a window open or something? Like, what's happening? Oh my god. Where did Lizzo go? I can't. Good morning, guys. I literally just woke up. Stink breath in the room. Crazy ass lips in the room. No, let me stop. But yeah, today is the big party. I don't know why I just did that. Today is the party, and I'm scared to go outside. I'm scared to go outside because I don't know what to expect right now. Probably setting up in the hall. It's like 10:30. I've just been really tired. Like, I'll be leaving for like 7 or 9 o'clock. But I'll just be happy to go back to sleep because I'll be tired, bro.
Yeah, it's not gonna shell this thing, easy, no?
Jerk chicken?
Yeah, jerk chicken.
It smells good. Really are the thing.
Got that curry chicken going. Oh my god, then I use that inside. You everything outside.
She want that big gangale. She want that big gangale. What we have here? Jerk coke. Yeah. Oh, what that? Oh. What's this? The jerk sauce? Okay. Oh, I tasted a piece of the chicken. It was good. Yeah.
Very good.
It was good. Nice and spicy. They got the jerk up in there. Yeah. No. He's at work right now. Where? In New York. Yeah. No. Say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Yeah, they want me in Brooklyn.
Hello. It's here. I want a white friend. You know,
Speak up. Say it again.
yeah, I want a white friend. Yeah.
And I love
Long Island. Yeah. You come New York, Brooklyn? No.
No, you know I know from Brooklyn. You're on Long Island.
Long Island. Yeah.
How are you on?
They man tell you what.
You go put Jamaica, yeah, I'm fire link up, yeah?
Do I have any what? Friends? Down here? Up there? Yeah. No, I don't have friends actually. Because people are fake. I'm bad mind. Yep.
Yeah, tell us, bad bro. Yeah, tell us, Jamaica, me there. Jamaica, me live. And see girl you have right now. You can tell her this. The age. Yo, bad boy, if you're lucky. And she rate you. Like general. Come here, tell her.
It's raining. You can't even see it. That's how it be in Jamaica. Just like how it be in Florida, it be raining. And then stop watching the next 5 minutes. That will stop. Them still a cook though. Look over this one. Them still a cook. So y'all, they got me in the kitchen.
Yeah,
But I'm on vacation. You believe that?
What's that?
What's what?
Yeah,
I don't know. You supposed to know.
I don't know.
Aren't you? Don't you be? You was just cooking jerk chicken.
Yeah, but I don't know what's this. Turnip?
Oh yeah, that's what she said. Daddy, I'm cooking.
That's it, you wish. Daddy. Daddy.
Sorry, can't help me. I cook right now. Hey. His phone? I think that's his phone charging. Yeah.
No, you want the phone? You want your... Rasta, what's my brownie there?
It's mad dark right here, y'all. I'm so sorry if I look dark. I don't know if I'm cutting this right. Yeah, can I say excuse me?
Yeah, that's it.
It's okay. I don't like it. I don't like it bigger enough. I'm not wiping material for nothing. I be trying to tell y'all, like, I know how to cook. I just don't like cook because it just take up too much time. All right, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear out there. Let me actually close the door. I don't know if y'all can hear out there, but you know, I am bad in here. I don't know if y'all can hear out there, but people are starting to come, and I'm over here looking like this. I've been cooking, cleaning, nothing all day, and now people starting to come. I'm like, people coming already? It's only 5:30. They're like, yeah. I'm like, damn, they want some good people too. This is that old people stuff, cause me, I'm not coming till 12 o'clock, if even. But yeah, they keep asking me if I'm gonna shower and stuff. I'm like, everybody go shower before me, cause I'm gonna be the last one to get ready. Like, I'm gonna be the last one. But yeah, y'all. So this is the before. Okay, get into the fit. Oh, the opposite way. For me, terrible fit. But wait until I pop out and look good. Catch you guys when I'm dressed and everything like that. Y'all hear the music that's playing? I'm not about to deal with this all night, bro. I will stay in this room the whole entire night. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Like, please don't play with me. They better not. They even got a DJ and everything out. Like, they doing it big over here right now. I didn't know that it was such a big thing. I'm off this. I catch y'all when I'm dressed. I don't know if I'm wearing makeup or not, but we'll see. And yeah, love you guys.
Yeah, I'm debating on between these two outfits. This is a long skirt with like a crop top. This is a crop top with a shorts. I'm debating on which one should I wear. You know, it's just a little calm event, so.
Sorry for the dirty mirror, guys, but this is what I decided to go with. The lighting is bad, I'm sorry. Again. But I decided to go with this. Don't mind the freaking water. This is water, yeah. So it's gonna go away soon. Like up here too. It's gonna go away, but yeah. No, it's up. But yeah, little booties always and forever will matter. Yeah. It's like a long dress. I was gonna wear a different shoes with it, but I forgot some in my bag, so I'm just gonna go with this for now. I'm still debating if I want to wear makeup or not. The lighting is really bad in here, so yeah. I don't know, yeah. I really might. Just for, you know, just to say I did it. Because I ain't bring my makeup for nothing, feel me? Even though I don't wear makeup. Yeah, but I guess I'm gonna do a little foundation, that's it. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so I did a little foundation, a little highlight. And I don't know, like, guys, I don't know how to do makeup, alright? So I did foundation, highlight, and that powder thing. Yeah, but I don't think I did that right. So yeah, this is what it's giving. Oh god, I need to fix that. But yeah, this is what it's giving. Let me flip it over for y'all. Yeah, this is what it's giving. Okay. And let's go to this party.
Looking late because it's never a party without me being there. Okay. Okay. So let's go see. Oh, this is me and my dad.
To be proud and dignify the truth. And do unto others as you have done to you. We were angels and we praise, and in my heart you are waiting forever young.
Uncle, you stick it over there, Uncle. Oh, shit.
Driveway. It's mad beautiful. Oh shit, I'm about to fall. It is mad beautiful. And you think this is a good view? Hold on, let me show you outside from the side of the house. Alright, y'all, so this is the view that my brother put me onto the other night. Oh my god, look at me falling. So this is the side of our house, y'all. This is what it's looking like from the side of our house. Like you could dead see everything. This is our house right here on the hill. And don't worry, I ain't going to the cliff. The end of the cliff. But we was chilling right here. We was chilling right here. Y'all, isn't it so beautiful? Mad pretty.
Y'all, my dad is making me food. Some goat soup.
Wait a minute, outside. Dropped it.
Lord, bless and sanctify the food and make sure that everybody is full and grateful for whatever they have. Lord.
Alright, y'all, so I got some jerk chicken, some rice, some spaghetti, and some salad, and some Hennessy and Pepsi because they didn't have Coke. So, here's what we working with. Let's see. Cup number one.
So I just got my food, right? And, you know, it was okay or whatever for me. Like, it wasn't my favorite, but I think it was because it was cold, so I wasn't really feeling it. So I'm over here texting my boyfriend. I'm like, listen, I'm not feeling it, like, for me. So then I took a picture and I put like the I'll paste the picture right here. But I put the freaking napkin over it. Hold on, y'all, I gotta sit because this shit is like, whew, it's on fire right now. But yeah, so picture so I can see myself. I look mad pretty in the mirror, chilling at the party, and then I'm about to throw out the food, right? Tell me why they put the garbage next like a sewer thing. It's not like an actual sewer that goes deep down inside, but it's like a little, like, I don't know if it's a hole and then they put like bars over it, but it's like, you know how a sewer looks? It's like one of those. Bruh, tell me why they put the garbage can right next to it, and it's dark right there, so you can't even really see. And it's not like I was on my phone or anything to a point where I wasn't paying attention. I was dead paying attention this time. Like, I really was paying attention. So Bro, tell me why I step, right? I go to put it in there. Bro, I go full in the bumper clock. Oh, how did I fall in the hole? I don't know. I really don't know how I fell in the hole. I really don't know. I don't know how I fell in the hole. I want you to tell me, how did I fall in the hole? Because I don't know how I fell in the hole. I don't. And mind you, it's a party. There's mad people here. Mad people I don't know. Like, for me? So I'm stuck, bro. And everybody come rushing over trying to help me. They pulling my leg out. They're trying to pull me out. Bruh, I keep telling them I cannot move. My foot is stuck. Like, try to move the bar or something. I am stuck. Like, I'm dead stuck. Like, all jokes aside, I know I be dragging shit. But that's what happened. Like, I was dead stuck. So then one of my cousins, my foreign cousins that I don't know of, he had to, like, pull the bar apart. And then they had to pull me out. But I didn't really get scratched up too bad. Like, it's not too bad. Like, you kind of see it. I put peroxide on it, so like it's just a little scratch right here, right here. It burns though. I got like a little cut right there. Don't mind my strawberry legs, y'all. And I got a cut right here. My whole, like this whole thing right here is burning because they kept trying to pull me out, and I'm like, bro, it's not happening. Like, it's not working, bro. Like, the world is over. That I'm one of those. I drag shit and I don't care. I will drag shit. Yes, that's me. That's me. So yeah, but this really burns. Like, I'm not dragging it. Like, it really burns. It's not as bad. Like, I don't want to put attention on me. Everybody could ask me if I'm okay, how it happened. I'm like, I'm good. Like, it's not that bad. I'm okay. I just need some peroxide, take all the dirt off of it, and I'm fine. Like, I'll be fine. But this is just my luck. Like, I have bad luck, and anytime anything good is happening or anything important or big is about to happen that I'm excited for, something always happens. So I'm not surprised, you know. I'm really not surprised. And yeah, I'm looking at myself in the mirror, y'all. So if you're like, why she not paying attention to me? I'm not. I'm looking at myself. I'm paying attention to myself because myself is all that matters. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not conceited or none of that. But yeah, that's how my night is going. So I'm about to just finish sipping on this Hennessy. It's dirty. The dirty water. And see where my night goes. Alright. I really look pretty today, and I'm gonna take pictures. Pepsi, like, I need some Coke. Then just crush with a Coke. Alright, y'all, I'm off this. Like, I just fell again, and I promise you I'm not drunk. I don't know what the fuck is happening, but Jamaica, you don't owe me shit, and that's fine, bro. I caught it on recording and everything, bro. It was so fucking funny. I fell down the hill. Ask me how I do that. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Look at my foot. My foot is fucked up. My back, they said that my back is fine, but this
Shit is on fire. Hold on. I don't know if they can record it. I don't even know if I can get it, y'all. My fucking back is on fire. Yo, Jamaica, you don't owe me nothing. All I know is that I'm gonna live my best life. Sober at that is crazy. It's fucking crazy.
I let it burn. I threw you into the and pushed it down the stairs. I crushed my car into the bridge. Oh shit! Oh shit! I promise you I'm not even drunk. I swear to God. I'm very calm. Shut up. I'm bend over. Shut up. I'm bend over. You don't stop text me. You don't stop call me. Man, I'm running down and I stalk me too regularly. But me with a I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common.
Jerusalema ikayalami hilo nolose uhambe nami zunganishi
Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the vlog. I just want to thank you guys for watching. And the lighting looks so bad. I'm just looking at myself right now in the mirror. Let's see. But I just want to thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I enjoyed myself. You know, you gotta enjoy yourself. Live it to the fullest. Even if it's not the best, you just gotta live it out. You gotta live it to the fullest for me. Because when I go back to New York, I know I'm gonna be cold. I know I'm gonna be bored. But yeah, so I fell twice. Don't ask me how. I don't know how. And then my eyes. Yeah, it was a night. It was a night for me. But I recorded a little something. Story time on how I felt. I think I already explained it. No, I was not drunk. But yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Bye.